Hi guys, I'm here with this product which is Qsora Booster and what this product will do. Okay, actually I'm coming with this dashboard. We will discuss each and every features of this okay later. But before that, we need to know actually if you are not getting good sales, if you are not getting good conversions, good lead capturing, actually whatever your target, if you are not good and if you are not getting enough results, what it will do actually, it will create some pop-up messages okay not on complete screens okay just at the bottom side okay in this area only okay in this much area okay, only so some messages will come like pop-up and just like flash messages and they will show it this just because of this product okay some messages and some pop-ups will blown up here and they will tell someone purchased this from England, someone purchased this from Australia, someone purchased this from India, just like that. So what will happen? The customers and visitors will gain some trust because they will think, oh, this website, if someone is purchasing from these websites, people are purchasing from these websites, people are giving some leads on this particular website. So what will happen? You will gain some trust okay people will start believing on your websites and just because of this you will boost your result. It may be some conversions, it may be some sales, it may be some leads, it may be some much higher number of visitors, and just because of that you can also increase some CTR also. So overall your result will be boost. That's why the name of this product is Booster. Okay, Qsora Booster. And how this all things will work, we will discuss each and everything. Okay, so this is tutorial. Let's see. Okay, this is tutorial 14-minute tutorials. 14-minute you can see 14-minute tutorial so that you will learn each and everything about this. Now I'm going to click on the main this logo. So let's see what will come in front of you. Skyrocket conversions and increased growth, just like I told you. Okay, so get started and all, but I already log in inside this. But wait, let me log in this. Guys, just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm just doing this. So I'm inside right now. This is dashboard. We will discuss each and everything. This is dashboard, how to create campaign and how to set up this complete process. I will tell you each and everything. Before that, this is my page and these two special bonuses you are going to get. This is niche market discovery. You are going to get this is for free, and this is completely PPC marketing, red hot targeted. Okay, you can see red hot targeted traffic delivered straight to your offers, your pages and all. Okay, so it's much special bonuses. Okay, these are not free for me, but I'm providing you for free. Now come back on this point, and now I'm going to create this campaign. So for example, I'm giving it name question. Actually, I'm not coming with any type of the practice. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm just starting in front of you. I'm just showing you the demo. Let's see what will come. Okay, in form of results. So domain and all, I'm just using this one landing page for example. So let's see what will happen. So this link I'm using, you have to use a link of your website and your landing page. Okay, so I'm using this landing page link. Okay, but if you will go for website it will be better. Okay, I'm just showing you demo. Let's see what will happen. So I'm going to create this one. Now this is a pixel code. What you have to do, you have to copy this and you have to paste this in header of your website or maybe your landing page. But I'm showing you in my website because I created this landing page from my website. So I'm just copying this. It's copied. Now this is my website. I'm already logged in. So what you have to do, okay, you have to come to the plugin. This is plugin. You can see you have to just come here, add new plugin. Okay, just follow this. Okay, you have to focus. You need focus for understand this one. Okay, just type header. Okay, so related to header and footer you will get some plugins, so you have to go ahead with that. And which one you have to, this one. Okay, insert header and footer by WordPress beginner. Okay, I already installed. You need to install and then you have to activate it. Okay, After activate, you will see, actually I will show you where you can see this. Okay, I activated this. You need to install and activate. Okay, now come here, uh, come to the setting. This is my setting. When you come to the setting, okay, come here at right side and see this is insert headers and footers, which I already shown you right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. You have to do the same things. Okay, and when you click on this, you can see script in headers. Okay, in body and footer, you have to paste this in headers. Okay, and click on the save button. Okay, you have to do the same things. Okay, guys, and just leave it same. Come to the dashboard again, and this is your fashion. Now come here. After installing your pixel code pixel, okay, you have to do some setups here. Now when you click on your fashion, which already you added, this is my website, you can see hulkcentral.com. Now when you come here, okay, you have to just click on this create notification. Okay, now you will get some options, okay, to show the people, to grab attention, to get believe and trust. Okay, so informational coupons and all. For example, I want to check this one, email correctors and latest conversion counters. For example, let me choose according to my wish. Call to action is again good thing. Okay, so I'm going for this right now, call to action. So it may be some lead, it maybe I grab some lead, I grab some other different leads and maybe some conversions. I'm just going to create this one. Okay, let's see what will happen. So I created this, but one thing you have to always remember, you have to activate this from here. Okay, you have to activate this from here like this. Now it's activated. And now you can put any name and all these things. So I'm just giving name question one. Question one. Title message is notify. Description message and this all things I don't need. Okay, so what are here? So you can see some triggers and all. Actually, you will learn all this inside the tutorials, display and all. You can also apply your mind. Okay, I'm just going with basic. I'm just going to updating this. So let's see what will happen. Now it's updated. Okay, you can see it's updated. So I'm done from my side. Now try to check your page and all. So this was a demo. Okay, and this is my page. Here you will see some pop-up and flash messages to grab some attentions and all, because I didn't have too much access right now. So I am not able to show you each and everything, but I'm telling you at the bottom side, maybe here, maybe this side, okay, not on complete page. So you will see some pop-up messages, you will see some flash messages so that your visitors and your customer will trust on you and they will also decide to purchase from you. Okay, something to buy from you, something like that. Okay, so I did this all thing. Now I'm done from my side. Okay, this is not a very too much lengthy process and not a difficult process. This is complete from my side. This is tutorial, you can go ahead with this. And again, you can come at the dashboard. Okay, just activate your notification. You can see here. Okay, you can again do some edits, view and all. So for example, I'm just going for edit. So this is too much normal things. If you click on this, so let's say what will come. Okay, again, you can create notification. This is for call to action. I'm going to create for another things. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So I'm going this time for call to actions done. For example, this time I'm going for latest conversion. Okay, latest conversion creating. I'm just going to create. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to give it a name. For example, conversion. Okay, and I'm just leaving all these things same as well. Updating this. and see someone from England sign up for newsletter like this. Okay, like this you will see this is a preview. Okay, this is a preview. For example, let me refresh this one. Okay, I'm not guaranteed for this one because I don't have complete access right now. Okay, see, you are able to see. Okay, so that is how your visitors and your customer will see this type of the pop-ups flash messages at the bottom side. So what will happen? Actually, they will trust on your website. Okay, you will gain some trust. You will gain some. You will be able to increase your CTR just because of this, because you can notice yourself also when you visit some websites. Okay, when you see this one, you always think we should click on some buttons and we should take some more information. Okay, what is this website about? Okay, so it's gone right now, something like that. Okay, and just because of this thing, you will increase your CTR visitors and actually call to action mainly. Okay, so that's how it will work. Now I just shown you a live demo. This is very good things. Okay, so I think I updated. No, I didn't update it, so I'm just going to updating this one, and let's see what will come. It's also done from my side. So I'm just going back on the dashboard. So this is my campaign. I'm just clicking on that, and this two notification I made. Okay, so related to your target, like this call to action and latest conversion. Okay, you can choose notifications, select notification whatever you want, and then create it by here. Okay, just change the status. Okay, like this. Okay, don't forget this from here. Okay, so you have to activate this and later you will be able to see. Okay, so that is how you will see. I already shown you complete demo. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.